lifetime benefit. But there's no question that many employers, particularly medium and large employers, recognise the benefits to recruitment and retention of staff of having a good pension scheme. There is a problem, however, with very small businesses, and particularly those up to about 100 employees. There's a real need to get engagement back there because employees don't seem to be demanding it, and employers therefore feel that their employees will welcome other benefits. So there's a big job to be done there in our report today. We have asked you to consider some targeted incentives for that small business group up to about 100 employees, where we think we need to kickstart the response there. So we think it can be done.
Thank you very much indeed. We'll take a short break right now, but still ahead at lunchtime. Who was behind the poisoning plot that visited Victor Yushchenko? And the controversy over Arsenal's quick free kick. Plus, we'll have today's weather forecast. That's 5 News after the break.